Still building spreadsheets from scratch? Watch this. I'm using AI for Sheets to let an agent build the sheet for me. First, I open the Agent tab and ask it to create a monthly budget template. No manual formatting, no dragging borders. The agent creates income and expense sections, a budget summary, formulas, and a clean layout automatically. Now I ask it to add demo data. The sheet fills in realistic income, expenses, cash flow, and an over-budget warning. Next, I ask for suggestions. The agent learns my earning and spending patterns, then explains what is driving the budget. Then I ask it to remove the quick inputs table and clean up the layout. Done. And it's not just budgets. I can ask for a stock fair price model, and the agent starts building it from a blank sheet. Now it creates assumptions, DCF outputs, sensitivity analysis, and a clear signal you can customize. Try AI for Sheets yourself. Link in bio, and follow for more AI hacks that save you hours.